Mark it back with them and a gamble. Say 4, 5 away. 6 away did the gamble and police come. Police say, oh, no, do. So no gamble, we a gamble boss, you not deny it.
Hey, Bigfoot.
Man grab up card pack, take up money. Man all a put money in him pocket, police tell him nobody put you in the brother, take you out. Box up money and card together and say, no, I got jail, brother. And a big police, so him have case of court. And him have this already and judge did bone him over already. I know me not say nothing to police.
But
I
why
reach around
can't?
the station, me ask police if me can get a phone call. Say yes, brother, you do to a car. So me have it, brother. Come bail me, you know. That's it. Brother, forward, come bail me. Each man get the same date. Get nearly 2 weeks ahead.
Yeah.
Before we pick up one. When I took the same place I gamble, you know, and I draw less and I smoke.
Again?
Yes, brother, the same place there, you man. When court there, we got court. 3 away have money, 4 away have money. The other 2 man no have none. One man say him have must have 500. That can't pay a court, brother.
No.
Judge charge with 3,000 each. Pop out my $5,000 and go up, brother, and pay quick. Tell a man,
Like a boss.
yeah, man, give me my change, brother. I mean, I have enough change there, you know, but I have to give them a hard note, you know?
Yeah.
I go up and I get my change. Man, I say, him not have no money, you want money to borrow. I say, no, my brother. A blood clot loan and I go around a bank in a handcuff, brother. Blood clot, if you find money to give them and them did have money to win with me and gambling. So you can't find none to pay a court now. I said, no, brother, I don't have none. I can't have to pop out money, let the 2 of them. I can't have done, you know.
Everybody wants to say a pussy.
Man, cause them know me have money, you know. Yeah, man. Can't be dead there, we are all away the poor man. And I tell them, say, if I have 10 grand judge charge me, I can't pay, you know. Yeah, man. I come with my money, brother.
Yes.
Yeah. Boy, you poor, we say, long after China, I get all fee money, you know, brother. From one I man, you know. Actually, if you war with the man for getting money, I say, see it, brother. You should have then got blood clot. Sorry for people, so, brother. No, brother, I'm not sorry for people, so you see, if I did sudden we end up at jail in the same night,
yeah.
And judge charge you and you don't have the money and you don't have and me have, me help make up your money. But remember, we get a long date to go court, brother. You don't put on nothing.
Nothing.
You just name every dollar you get, so. You have to go to jail then, brother. I'm sorry for your blood clot. You have to go around the back.
Yeah, time.
Don't do that. I'll turn up there till somebody sorry for you and come pay for you. So when I pay for no man, brother, as me step out, me go down to one bar, go start drink liquor. And I must know me have enough money.
I smoke weed.
I smoke weed.
I buy change.
Oh, you mean? Then them go back after that.
Again?
Yes, brother. Police come back, come all the same place. Touch me with big spliff in a mouth and knife in a pocket. Back out them here and take them out. Come back again, man. Still a big police and a ball.
Yeah, I'm in police.
Nothing to do with police, but one of them look for me and say, you must have married you. I did have beer bar, I let you go. I said, what make I say that, boss? Him say, you're just humble, so you know. I said, then when me I go to boss, police not say we have the things against land, them I carry around, me I do again. What me have to do more, me just go around with the officer and we charge and we left again. I'm not plea about, brother. I play and I beg bout. Me not have no problem I share with the police, nothing. Nothing with the police, brother. Me just go around and we write up.
For the others.
Get me beer when we go to court. For me name no call, brother.
I wonder why.
Some of them afraid I wonder what happened. Me tell them, say, brother, me no know the whole. I will not come to court, brother. Judge call up all name, charge them and step out. One man never look good, judge say him can't come in. But we still just on talk to the police.
Judge.
Dirty. Judge say, how you look so in a court you come, brother? And shabby you fuck, a little old man. And I something they dance him and go. Old school. You know when you go old school dance and you go look for one of your grandfather old something and dress up in night. So the man come my blood clot. Judge say him not talk to him, so brother. If you go and do you go talk to the police. Tell him say brother you can't do so when you come to court, brother. You have to put on all your best suit because judge a God, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah man, and if you don't look up to date, him not talk to you, brother. You have to look good. On the way judge talk to you, look saying you must have come find it.
All I bad man them and all I hot girl them. You see when I say GTW? Don't trip! Ghost ride the whip!
We can ghost ride the whip.